You will have 2 slides to complete on Keynote for today's assignment. The directions say to highlight the main idea with yellow, to highlight the supporting details with blue or green, and then fill out the graphic organizer below. We want you to use text boxes for the main idea and the 3 supporting details, but highlight first so you remember what you want to write about in the organizer. You'll do the same thing in the Preventing Cavities article, so make sure that you're reading it carefully so that you're identifying the main idea and the supporting details. Remember what we talked about with the location of where we typically find main ideas, and that will help you as well. So read both passages, highlight in the main idea with yellow, the supporting details with blue or green, and then with a text box, write the main idea and 3 supporting details using complete sentences that come right from the passage with correct capitalization and punctuation. We're looking for that to improve on some of your submissions. And then submit the work the way your teacher asks you to.